position to pull. We have too many people who try to push during the stroke. Not effective. Keep the top end forward. Pull. Back is thrusting. So your arm needs to arc smoothly, gracefully in. If you do it wrong, you're getting stuck up here. You're trying to pull and you're getting stuck. But it should be gracefully, easily coming into the top. You see the boat surges much better when I get the shoulder action in. Good. Leg drive starts. So once I get my catch, it starts with leg drive, and that's going to start getting my paddle into position for that pull. So leg drive, then shoulders. Leg drive, then shoulders. Leg drive, then shoulders. Legs and shoulders.